Hello everyone, welcome to the one question series of Avlokan IAS, and today we are going to discuss a question that is asked in CSAT 2023 and it belongs to the topic number system. The question is, what is the remainder if 2 to the power 192 is divided by 6? So whenever you are going to see such type of question, इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हो 2 to the power 192 mod 6. मॉड बेसिकली गिव्स अस रिमाइंडर। तो जब भी ऐसा क्वेश्चन आया तो इसमें हमें सबसे पहले चेक करनी रहेगी साइक्लिसिटी। वी नीड टू चेक द साइक्लिसिटी ऑन मॉड 6। सो 2 to the power 1 mod 6, 2 to the power 2 mod 6, 2 to the power 3 mod 6, 2 to the power 4 mod 6। ये चेक कर लेते हैं एक बार। 2 to the power 1 mod 6 कितना आएगा 2, 2 mod 6 कितना आएगा 2, 2 to the power 2 means 4 mod 6, that is 4, 2 to the power 3 mod 6 means 8 mod 6, that is 2, 2 to the power 4 कितना हुआ 16 mod 6 कितना हुआ 4। तो ये मतलब 2 4 2 4 ये रिपीट हो रहे हैं। so, क्या दिख रहा है कि whenever the power is odd, then the remainder is 2. See, the power is odd, and whenever the power is even, then the remainder is 4। यहां से दिख रहा है, देखो इसकी साइक्लिसिटी कितनी है 2। So what is the power here? Either it is even or odd. It's even, 192 is even, तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Remainder is 4। तो 4 is the answer. It was an easy question. Let's jump on to our today's practice question. The question is, what is the remainder if 2 to the power 50 is divided by 7? I hope you all will be able to do this question, and you get the solution of this in the description link attached. Also, you can get the solution on our Telegram channel. Thank you. We'll meet again.